Homelux Theory silicone food storage bags are the better, earth-conscious way to store food. They are the best substitute for plastic containers and Ziploc bags, saving hundreds of plastic waste every year. They can be cleaned using a dishwasher and are soft and foldable. They can be easily stored in handbags and lunch bags. They are easy to fill through the wide opening because it stands upright on the flat bottom and comes in two sizes, 30-ounce and 50-ounce. Great for on-the-go foods such as sandwiches and snacks that you can bring to work, for a picnic, camping, hiking, and more. Homelux Theory silicone food storage bags are heat and cold resistant with a temperature range from -76 degrees Fahrenheit to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. They can work as thermal bags for boil-in-the-bag products and are safe to use in a sous vide cooker, microwave, steamer, refrigerator, and freezer. FDA and SGS approved food-grade silicone, BPA and BPS free, 100% safe, non-toxic, non-reactive, non-allergenic, and tasteless. They are leak-proof for liquids such as soup, sauce, and smoothies. We believe in quality of life and long-term solutions for protecting our environment. Homelux.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Polder Countertop Composter offers both innovation and problem solving, allowing you to make rich soil while removing messy cleanups and wasteful plastic bags from the process. Turn kitchen scraps into organically rich soil with Polder's innovative kitchen countertop composter. With its simple-to-use, mess-free design, food scraps are temporarily stored on the kitchen counter in an elegant and sizable 1-gallon bin. Creating an environment for proper decomposition has never been easier. Simply rotate the lid and follow the indicator guide to gradually increase or decrease the air circulation. Ready to transfer to the larger outdoor composter? Grasp the wire rack with one hand while grabbing the tab on the bottom of the bin and push through to invert and empty the contents. When emptied, pull the bin back in and it's ready to be used again. The mess-free process keeps hands free from getting dirty or touching scraps. To clean, invert the empty bin and place under a running faucet to remove any excess particles. To clean the lid, simply twist counterclockwise to separate, then wash with soap and warm water as needed. For a deeper cleaning of the bin, simply unclip the silicone bucket from the wire frame, invert, and place on the top rack of the dishwasher.
Cherry tomatoes, grapes, olives, blueberries, cranberries, gooseberries, all delicious. All take a long time to cut in half without the right gadget. Introducing SLICEX, the versatile kitchen gadget for slicing many small round items perfectly in half in one fast motion. Fill, slice, empty, repeat. Slice 3 times faster. Unleash your inner kitchen ninja. Great for mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, carrot sticks, and apple or citrus wedges too. Easy to clean and store.